In this video, we're taking a look at the Alibi Vigilant Smart Search on the CMS application and showing you how to quickly search for motor vehicles, pedestrians, and non-motor vehicles. If you're trying to find a specific event faster and spend less time scrubbing through footage, this is definitely a feature you'll want to know. Let's jump into motor vehicle search. First, go ahead and log into your CMS application. From here, head over to Smart Search where you'll find VCA Search. If it's not already on your homepage, just drag it over and then open it up. Now we're ready to start searching. Select Behavior Search. From here, you want to select your recorder. Then choose the camera or cameras you want to include in the search. Next, choose the analytic type you want to use. For example, I'm going with line crossing. Now set your date and time range and then select Motor Vehicle Search. For this first search, we'll keep the vehicle color set to all. Go ahead and hit search. And just like that, your results populate right here. When you click on one of the vehicles, you'll see the alarm image associated with that event. You can save that image if needed. Under Alarm Video, you'll see the related video clip which you can play back immediately. And if you need to keep a copy for review or evidence, you can also download that video right from here. Now let's say you want to get more specific. You can narrow your results down even further by selecting a vehicle color. Just choose the color you're looking for and then hit search again. As long as your camera supports the color search feature, your results will now update based on that filter. And that's how easy it is to perform a motor vehicle search in the CMS. Now let's move over to Pedestrian Search. Just like before, start by selecting your camera and then choose the analytic type. Set your start and end time and then select Pedestrian. To start broad, we'll leave the appearance filters set to all and run the search. And here are your results. But this is where it gets even more useful. If you're looking for a specific person, you can refine your search using upper garment color and lower garment color. For example, maybe you're looking for someone wearing a black top and a black bottom. Run that search and now your results are more targeted. You can also change it up. Maybe blue upper garment and black lower garment. That makes it easier to isolate the person you're looking for without digging through tons of footage. Once you find the right result, you can save the alarm image using the save icon. You can also play back the associated video clip directly from the search results. And of course, you have the option to download that clip if needed. Now let's wrap things up with non-motor vehicle search. Start by selecting your camera, then choose your analytic type. Set your start and end time, then select non-motor vehicle. You can also apply additional filters such as upper garment color depending on what you're trying to locate. Then click search. This search is ideal for identifying two-wheeled vehicles such as bicycles and motorcycles. Once your results come in, you'll be able to review the alarm image, which can be saved if needed. You'll also have access to the video clip, which you can play back directly. And just like the other searches, you can also download the video for later use. And that's a quick look at how to use Smart Search in the Alibi Vigilant CMS application to locate motor vehicles, pedestrians, and non-motor vehicles faster and more efficiently. For more training videos, product tips, and system walkthroughs, be sure to check out the rest of our Alibi Vigilant tutorial series.